Transform your backyard into an outdoor oasis with this comprehensive guide to assembling your Sam's Club gazebo, ensuring a sturdy and stylish addition to your home. First, unbox all components, carefully laying them out and identifying each piece against the instruction manual. It's crucial to ensure no parts are missing before you begin. Gather your essential tools. A socket wrench set is vital for tightening bolts securely. A rubber mallet will help gentle assembly without damaging parts. And a level is your best friend for ensuring a perfectly plumb structure. Safety first. Always wear sturdy gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges and safety glasses to shield your eyes from any debris. If you have a helper, brief them on the assembly process and safety precautions. Begin by attaching the upright posts to the base. Refer to your manual for the correct orientation and ensure the bolts are snug, but not overly tightened at this stage. This allows for slight adjustments as you progress. Next, connect the roof support beams, carefully aligning the pre-drilled holes. This is where having a second person makes a significant difference in managing the heavier components. Once the primary frame is complete, use your level to check the verticality of each post. Now is the time to go back and securely tighten all bolts, ensuring the structural integrity of your gazebo. Proceed to install the roof panels, usually sliding them into designated channels or attaching them with provided clips. Take your time to ensure each panel is seated correctly for a watertight seal. Finally, attach any decorative elements or side panels as per your manual's instructions. Wipe down any smudges and admire the sturdy, inviting structure you've built. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your Sam's Club gazebo, creating a beautiful and functional outdoor space ready for relaxation and entertaining.